That can be good or bad. Okay, let's see. I see one other dark picture here, but I guess that's probably somebody observing the class and not Bruce. Okay, so I think we'll just start then, and maybe Bruce will join us later. Okay, so let me start by sharing my screen again. All right, so last week we talked about grocery shopping. So my first question is, Dylan, do you remember what are groceries? Can you give me an example of something that is groceries?
Market.
Markets, okay, yes. Okay, that would be a place to buy food. Very good. Um, but what are the groceries? So the market is the place that sells groceries. What are the groceries? Let's see, Ryan, do you have an example? What are the groceries?
I don't know.
Okay. Ryan, look here. So the grocery, we said that was the place, the store where we can buy groceries. Now, what do you think if you look at this picture? What can we buy in this store?
Grocery store.
Yeah, that's a grocery store. What do you think can we buy there? You look here.
Food.
Yes, very good. So groceries are food. Okay, Barry, can you also give me an example? What could be groceries? You can say many things if you like.
Fruit.
What kind of food? Can you give me an example?
Apples.
Yeah, very good. Okay, apples. Something else?
Bananas.
Yeah, very good. Okay, what about, let me think, cookies? Would cookies also be groceries?
Yes.
Okay, very good. Let's see, Ryan, what else could be groceries? So we said apples, bananas, cookies. What do you think? Could bread be also groceries?
Yes.
Okay. What about noodles? Do you
No.
know? Do you know what noodles are?
I don't know.
Okay. So noodles are, let me think how to explain that. So I think it's easiest actually to have a picture. So let me think. Noodles would be, for example, spaghetti. Do you know what spaghettis are, Ryan?
I don't know.
Oh, no. Okay, let me check. Noodles. Okay, so I will share my screen again here and see. I hope it'll be a bit clearer. What are noodles? So here you can see all of these are noodles. Okay, so we have all kinds of noodles. See this? And here, I think this is a good picture. Here we can see the noodles. And here we have a different kind of noodles. Okay. So another word for noodles is pasta. Sometimes we also say pasta. Okay. So what do you think, now that you've seen it, Ryan, do you think that could be groceries too? What do you think? Are noodles groceries? What do you think, Ryan? Are noodles groceries?
Ryan 你要回答。
Oh, I think the connection is not so good right now. So, Ryan, can you hear me? Okay, let's see. How about Barry? Barry, do you think noodles are groceries?
Yes.
Mm-hmm. Okay. So, anything really, anything that we can cook or eat is groceries, okay? Anything and everything. So apples, bananas, bread, noodles, things that we can drink, so water, milk, all of these are groceries, okay? All right, so let's look at some other things that we learned last time. So we have a sentence here at the bottom. Dylan, could you please read the sentence down here?
Which picture match the sentence?
Very good. Okay, and can you please read the sentence here at the bottom too?
The shelves in the store are full of mysteriously organized items.
Very good, Dylan. Yes, the shelves in the store are full of neatly organized items. Very good. Okay, we talked about this last week, about neatly, and that neatly means, let's see. So do you remember, Dylan, what did we say? What does neatly mean? Do you remember?
Can be a thing or a produce.
Yes, very good. That would be an item. So when we use the word item, item can be a thing or a product. Okay, so anything here can be an item. Very good. Okay, we also talked about neatly last week. Okay, this word here. Let's try to remember this way. Dylan, what do you think? In which picture can we see shelves that are full of neatly organized items? So do you think in this left picture, are the items organized neatly? Or do you think that the items are organized neatly in here on the right side?
Second picture.
This one, right? Okay. Barry, how would you maybe also describe this picture? So it's neatly organized. What else could you say instead of neatly?
Clean.
Yes, very good. It looks clean. Very good. Okay, so it looks very clean. And then compared to this picture, I think we can also say in here it looks very tidy, right? It's clean and tidy. So here it looks very, it doesn't look organized, right? It looks very full of not organized items. And here it's very neat, clean and tidy. Okay, very good. Let's see. Ryan, could you please read this sentence here at the bottom?
The shelves in the library are full of neatly organized books.
Very good. Okay, Ryan, what do you think? Which picture matches this sentence? So which picture is the right picture for this sentence?
The second picture.
Okay, very good. Why do you think that? So how can you tell, Ryan, that this is neatly? So how does it look?
Tidy.
Yes, very good. Looks tidy. And let's see, Barry, what else would you say? What else does it look like here?
Organized.
Very good. Yes, it looks organized. And let's see, where do you think would it be easier to find a book? In the right or in the left picture?
Right.
Yes, in the right one. So here, neatly organized can also mean easy to find. Yeah, very good. Okay, and then Barry, can you please read this sentence here?
There are all she's carrying a basket.
Very good. Okay, so which picture is correct? Barry, what do you think?
Right.
Okay, very good. Yes. And why do you think that, Barry?
Because left is pushing a car.
Very good. Yes. We can see they are pushing the cart. And she is carrying it. Very good. Okay. So then those were the things that we learned last week. Okay. So we found out. Dylan, can you please read this sentence to remind us what we learned last week?
Where is Jenny? At the local grocery store.
Very good. Yes. And then Barry, over here on the right side, please.
This is a shopping cart.
Very good. Okay, Ryan, can you please read this sentence here?
Jenny is pushing a basket in a cart.
Very good. Okay, then here is the long one. So Dylan, can you please read this one here?
And as so passenger way then come the it
Yes, a corridor, and then the last part.
in
Between, in between.
between.
Something else. Okay, thank you, Dylan. Yes, so here we have to be careful with this word because There is an S here in this word, right? But we don't actually hear it. We say aisle. Okay, let's repeat that one together. An aisle.
An aisle.
And Ryan and Dylan? An aisle.
An aisle.
An aisle.
Yes, very good. Okay, so yeah, here this is a tricky word. We have to be careful. So we have an S, but we don't really say it. So an aisle is a way. Okay, like here, so almost like a street maybe, but there are no cars, right? So it's just a very narrow way that we can walk. Okay. All right. Then Ryan, can you please read this one here?
Intern become can be a thing or a product.
A product. Yeah, very good. And let's repeat that one together. Item.
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 Very good. So we say item. Yeah, here with the I. Very good. Okay, and then the last sentence. Barry, can you please read that one?
The shelves in the store are full of neatly organized items.
And careful. So the first one here, Barry, what is that? Can you say that word again, please?
Shelves.
Very good. And it's shelves. Okay, let's repeat that one together. The shelves.
The shelves.
The shelves.
Very good. And then, yeah, the shelves in the store are full of neatly organized items. Okay, very good. So these were the new words that we learned last week. Okay, so let's continue a little bit more. And let's see. So for today, we will talk about saving money. Ryan, now when you look at all of these pictures, what do you think? What does saving money mean? Can you maybe explain or give an example? What do you think when you see this?
The grocery store have a sale.
Yes, there's a sale. And how would you explain that? Is that good? What is that? What does sale mean? How would you explain that, Ryan?
You can't.
I'm afraid the connection was not so good. Can you say it again, please?
You can't pay a lot of money.
So you can't pay a lot of money. So you don't have to, right? Okay. So let's see. Dylan, what do you think? If there is a discount for 50%, is that better or more than, let's say, 20%? What do you think?
Better.
Okay. So if you have, let's say, let me think, a new laptop, and you have a new laptop with a 50% discount or a 20% discount, which one would you take, Dylan?
20%.
Oh, the one for 20%. That's interesting. Why?
Don't know.
Ah, okay. Let me think. Barry, which one would you take? You can buy one new laptop with a 50% discount or 20%. Which one would you take?
50%.
Okay, and why would you take 50%?
Because it's cheaper.
Very good, yes. Okay. Barry, can you maybe give an example to Dylan? A 50% example. So what would be, let's say, let me start you out. There is a computer, let's say for 200, let's just say 200 new Taiwanese dollars, right? Okay, for 200, and it's 50% off. How much would it cost?
$100.
Very good. Okay, so can you maybe give us a similar example, Barry, for Dylan? Another 50% example for Dylan.
100 discount, 50% is 50.
Very good. Okay, Dylan, can you maybe, let's see, it's turning into math, so I don't want to go too far here. But let's say this one here, Dylan, if something is half price, is that 50% or 20%? What do you think, Dylan?
50.
Very good. So if there is a discount of 50%, it means it's only half the price. For example, 200 would then be 100. Okay, something for $10 would be $5. So it is much cheaper. So in this case, when we see numbers and, for example, the word discount or sale, the higher the number, the better, because we save more money. Okay. Let's see. So we have a different way of saying that something is cheaper. Okay, sometimes we say sale. That just means it's cheaper. We don't know how much cheaper. If we have numbers, percentages here, okay, this is percentage, then we know how much cheaper it is. Okay, and it's a special offer, that's the word down here, or a discount. Or sometimes we say something is 10% off, or it can be any percent. It could be 10% off or 20%. Okay, it's just different ways of saying that something is cheaper. Okay, and we call all of these things. So whenever we buy something cheaper, we save money. Okay, so we save it. We don't spend it, we keep it. We keep the money. And so usually people are happy when they can save money because they can buy good things cheaper. Okay, so this is important to know this because Jenny likes to save money. Okay, Jenny the girl from our picture, she likes to save money. She is a bargain hunter. Okay, so I will read this one more time and then we can repeat together. Jenny is a bargain hunter.
Jenny is a bargain hunter.
Yes, very good. So that means she likes to save money. Okay, a bargain. A bargain is when you get something half price or on sale. All of these pictures can be bargains. Okay, all of them can be bargains. So Jenny is hunting. Okay, Jenny is hunting for bargains. So Jenny goes to the store and she looks. Where is something on sale? Where can I find something cheaper? Okay. So let's read the next part together. That means Jenny likes to save money.
That
That
means
means Jenny likes to save money.
She likes to buy items on sale.
she
She likes to buy items on sale.
Very good. Items that are on sale are cheaper.
Items that are on sale are cheaper.
Yes. If she can, Jenny will always choose the item on sale.
If she can,
Jenny will always choose the item on sale.
Very good. So Jenny chooses the item of less money. The item that is cheaper. Okay. If something is cheaper than normally, we call it a bargain. Okay, let's repeat until this part because it's a long sentence. If something is cheaper than normally,
something is cheaper than normally,
we call it a bargain.
we call it a bargain.
Very good. If someone tries to save money,
Someone tries to save money,
we call that person thrifty.
we call that person thrifty.
Let's repeat that one together. Thrifty.
Thrifty.
Very good. Yeah, it's a bit difficult to say, but very good. Thrifty. Jenny is a very thrifty person.
Jenny is a very thrifty person.
Very good. Yes. Because of her thriftiness.
Because of her thriftiness.
Let's repeat it again. Because of her thriftiness.
Because of her thriftiness.
Her thriftiness, she can save a lot of money.
You can save a lot of money.
Very good. Okay, so Brian, what do we know about Jenny? Can you say it in one sentence?
Jenny is a bargain hunter.
Very good. So, Ryan, would she like to see maybe this sign or this here? What do you think, Ryan?
Yes.
Very much, yeah. Because then she thinks, a sale, it's cheaper. I can save money. Okay, very good. Okay, now how can we know that something is on sale? Let's look at these pictures here. So both of these pictures are from a grocery. Okay, so a store where we can buy groceries. Dylan, can you see something here in this left picture that would tell you, something is cheaper? What do you think, Dylan? How would you know?
Cookie.
Okay, cookies. Where do you see cookies, Dylan?
75.
Let me see. I think you are here on the right side, maybe, right? Okay. So Dylan, do you mean the picture on the right side?
Yes.
Okay. And so you said cookies. Okay. And how did you know that they are cheaper?
Because it save a lot of money.
Very good. So you said 75. We have one here for 75 and one here. Can you see in this picture, what is the normal price? Can you see that?
First 75.
So that is very good. 75 is the cheaper price. Okay. Let's see, maybe Barry, can you help out? What do you think? What is the normal price here in this picture?
90.
Very good. So Dylan, see here, there is another number. This means 90. This means normally the cookies or what it is would cost 90, but now they only cost 75. Okay, let's see. Barry, how would you know? What can you see to know that something here is cheaper? What is there a clue or something?
Free.
You can read it, right? What can you read? What can you read that will tell you it's cheaper?
Free means you don't pay any dollars.
Very good. Yes. So for example, here it says buy one, get one free. Very good. Okay, so here, if you buy one of those, you get another one for free. So 2 for 1 price. Okay. Ryan. So here, Barry said he saw free. What else can you see, Ryan? Can you see other clues, maybe, how you would know that something is cheaper?
I don't know.
Oh, okay. Let me try. So, Ryan, do you think that this here is that cheaper? The second one?
Yes.
Okay. Why do you think that?
They have sell.
Okay. And also, I think what we can see is the red sign, right? So we can see, save. Remember? So we save money. So here we can read, we save money. It's cheaper. Here we can also read offer. Okay, that also means a bargain or a sale. Okay, so something is cheaper. And here too. So we have a sign, and that's how we know, okay, something like here, a yellow. Here we have yellow and red. And here also we have yellow and red. Okay, so we know, okay, something is cheaper. Let's see, Ryan, do you think there is a sale or a way to save money in this left picture?
Yes.
Okay, what do you see, Ryan? Why do you think that?
The sell.
Yes, very good. We can read save here, and here, and here, and here. Very good. So to save money means to keep the money. So we keep more money and we spend little money. So it's good for us. Yeah, we can save more money. Okay. We are again already at the end of our class. Time goes by so fast. So for today, I will stop presenting. For today, I would like you to just look at our slides again as homework and try to learn the new words. And then next week, we will look again at the words that we learned today and last week. And maybe next week, we can also start to read our text. Okay, do you have any questions now about the new words? No? Okay. All right, if you want, when you go shopping, maybe sometime, you can look and see if you can find a sale, maybe in your store, okay? If something is cheaper, then you can tell us next time. Okay, then I will let you go, and then hope you have a good evening. And then I will see you, some of you tomorrow and the others next week again. Okay, then have a good evening and see you soon. Okay, bye.
Bye.
Goodbye.
Bye.